कृष्णर कहते हैं उदास मत हो, मैं तेरे साथ हूँ, सामने नहीं आस पास हूँ। पलकों को बंद कर और दिल से याद कर, मैं कवार नहीं तेरा विश्वास हूँ। तो इसी विश्वास और हमारे स्कूल के प्रधान सर, मैं हरेश सर, विजय सर और हमारे आदि मेहमानों को ठाकुर जी के पूजन के लिए आमंत्रित करता हूँ।
श्री अक्षरधाम श्री पुरुषोत्तम नामी श्री हरि रूप सुखधामी प्रगति श्री हरि अवनी मोक्ष मार्ग बतायो उपासनानु ज्ञान दई ज्ञान यज्ञ के सजाव्यो जन जन में सुखिया करवा जन जन में सुखिया करवा श्री जी हरि
I welcome all of you to Samarpan 2014, a tribute to all those who light the way for others.
Today is Teachers' Day, a day to express our gratitude towards teachers for what they have done for us to help us become what we are. In India, 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day as a mark of tribute to the contribution made by the teachers to the society. 5th September is the birthday of a great teacher, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a strong believer of education and was the well-known diplomat, scholar, Vice President of India, and above all, a teacher.
When Dr. Radhakrishnan became the President of India in 1962, he was approached by some of his students and friends and requested him to allow them to celebrate 5th September as his birthday. In reply, Dr. Radhakrishnan said, "Instead of celebrating my birthday separately, it would be my proud privilege if September 5 is observed as Teachers' Day." The request showed Dr. Radhakrishnan love for teaching profession. From then onwards, the day has been observed as Teachers' Day in India.
It is a day to glorify and exalt the significance of teachers. Without teachers, we would be directionless.
Teachers gives us knowledge, demonstrate values, and chisel us into good human beings.
Deep bhai, teachers do so much for us. They give their 100% to the students.
बातें ही करते रहेंगे कि प्रोग्राम की शुरुआत भी करेंगे.
Oh, sure, sure. So let us start. But where shall we start from?
You can explain me the meaning of Samarpan.
अरे यार, कल ही तो समझाया था.
हाँ भाई, पर क्या करूं, इतना डीप मीनिंग है कि मैं भूल जाता हूँ.
लगता है समर्पण का अर्थ समझाने के लिए मुझे भगवान श्री कृष्ण को ही बुलाना पड़ेगा.
क्या आप सच में कृष्ण भगवान को बुला सकते हो?
मैं तो नहीं बुला पाऊंगा, लेकिन पूजित भाई जरूर बुला सकते हैं. तो पूजित भाई, हमारे दीप भाई को समर्पण का अर्थ समझाने के लिए क्या आप भगवान श्री कृष्ण को यहाँ पे उपस्थित होने की प्रार्थना कर सकते हैं?
एक ही गुरु के पास शिक्षा प्राप्त करने वाले सारे शिष्य एक समान विद्या प्राप्त नहीं कर पाते. सारे शिष्य गुरु की बातें सुनते हुए अवश्य दिखाई देते हैं, उनकी पूजा करते हुए दिखाई देते हैं, किंतु एक समान विद्या प्राप्त नहीं कर पाते. क्या कभी विचार किया है ऐसा क्यों होता है? सत्य तो यह है कि विद्या प्राप्त ना कर पाने वाले शिष्य समर्पण का दिखावा तो करते हैं, किंतु समर्पण का वास्तविक अर्थ नहीं समझ पाते. गुरु के चरणों में फूल चढ़ाने से अथवा गुरु का आदेश मानने मात्र से क्या समर्पण सिद्ध होता है? नहीं. समर्पण का वास्तविक अर्थ है जब गुरु के प्रति मन में कोई संदेह ना रहे. गुरु के मुख से आदेश निकले उससे पूर्व शिष्य उस कार्य को पूरा कर दे. गुरु के विचारों के साथ शिष्य के विचार एक हो जाए. शिष्य जब तक अपने गुरु में ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश इनके रूप ना देख ले, तब तक उसका समर्पण सत्य नहीं। वास्तव में समर्पण किसी कार्य का नाम नहीं, समर्पण तो हृदय की भावना और मन की स्थिति का नाम है। अर्थात हमारे अज्ञान में क्या दोष केवल हमारे मन का नहीं? स्वयं विचार कीजिए।
Deep Bhai, now do you understand the true meaning of Samarpan?
Yes, sure, I do.
Really?
Yes, Uttam bhai. Samarpan does not merely mean to follow all our teachers, but it means that we must not have any doubt or reservations about our teachers or what they say to us.
Thank you, Lord Krishna, for explaining the true meaning of Samarpan to my friend Deep Bhai.
अच्छा अच्छा उत्तम भाई, हमें हम आगे भी बढ़ना है.
Yes, my friend. This whole celebration is about paying tribute to our dear teachers. The role of teacher in our life is very much essential. Teachers enlighten us and remove the blot of ignorance from our lives. Teachers care for us, guide us, inspire us, and ultimately love us unconditionally.
We don't have enough words to express what teachers do for us. It is rightly said that when words fail, music speaks. Music speaks what cannot be expressed through words. So, to give a musical tribute to our dear teachers, we have Anand Bhai and Abhishek Bhai from class 11th. was almost perfect. What do you mean by almost perfect?
What I meant was that it would be great if we also get to hear the melodious voices of our brothers. It would add charm to this music.
You are right, Uttam bhai. But don't you worry, I have the solution for that. Let us call the younger brothers from class 10 to add charm and melody to this musical saga.
आप अगर साथ है तो जिंदगी साथ है, आप अगर साथ है तो जीत भी साथ है। एक जज्बा दिल में है, एक सपना आंखों में, मेरी मंजिल सामने खड़ी। बड़ी मुश्किल राह थी पर दिल में चाह थी, लो फैसले की आ गई घड़ी। आप अगर साथ है तो जिंदगी साथ है। आप अगर साथ है तो जीत भी साथ है।
Teachers, you are everything for us. We are nothing without you all.
दिल में एहसास है, खास है, हमसे उम्मीदें लगी। दुनिया से आज हम तो टकराएंगे, अगर हर दिल अपने साथ हो। हर उम्मीद आपकी, हर अरमां आपका, विश्वासों को हम कांधे पे लिए दुनिया से लड़ेंगे, आगे ही बढ़ेंगे, हिम्मत लेके हम तो चलिए। आप अगर साथ है की क्या बात है। आप अगर साथ है तो मुश्किलों पे मात है। आप अगर साथ है तो जिंदगी साथ है। आप अगर साथ है तो जीत भी साथ है।
Thank you,
Thank you.
Amazingly sweet. Let's have a huge round of applause for the stars of in school.
What an appropriate message too. जो आप अगर साथ है तो जीत भी साथ है।
अरे यार आज तुझे क्या बताऊं, मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है।
क्यों, क्या हुआ?
अरे हर रोज क्लास में टीचर बोलते रहते हैं और हम सुनते रहते हैं, और आज देख लो हम कम के बोले जा रहे हैं और वो शांति से सुनने जा रहे हैं।
हाँ, ये बात तो है। इस बात पे मुझे एक और आइडिया है।
वो क्या?
देख भाई, क्लास में तो हमारे टीचर्स हमें क्वेश्चन पूछते रहते हैं और हम उनके आंसर देते रहते हैं।
अरे उत्तम भाई, इसके लिए आपको आंसर्स भी तो आने चाहिए।
यार ये सबके सामने हमारी पोल क्यों खोल रहा है?
अरे सॉरी भाई, गलती से मिस्टेक हो गई।
So today, instead of teachers asking us the question, let us ask them some question and see how they answer.
भाई सुमित भाई, क्या आप हमारे एक मित्र को माइक पास कर सकते हैं?
अरे दीप भाई, we are supposed to ask question to teachers, not friends.
अरे यार डोंट वरी, ही इज 2 in 1।
मतलब
मतलब हमारे जो राम सर है वो क्लास में हमारे टीचर और बाहर मित्र. सो सुमित भाई, कैन यू प्लीज हैंड ओवर द माइक टू राम सर. Sir, are you ready for my question? सर, आपने तो अपने टीचिंग की शुरुआत ही हमारे स्कूल से की है, तो सर आपको कैसा लग रहा है? अब तक का आपका हमारे साथ का सफर कैसा रहा?
First of all, namaste and good morning to all. And first I will thanks to the great God who saw me the path of Atma Vidya Mandir to start my career as a teacher. And again, I would like to say thanks to genius and great seniors and my colleague who helped me at each and every stage of teaching and apart from teaching, and they guide me how to resolve the problem and teach their students. And I will always try to give my attitude like a learning child with you all, because you all have a lot to learn. And again, I would like to say thanks to all the students because of your good behavior, discipline and obedient behavior, which make very easy and convenient for a teacher to teach a student very efficiently and effectively. And I will pray God for your bright future. And again, I would like to say thanks to the great God. That's it.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सर.
अरे थैंक यू 2 बार क्यों?
एक थैंक उनको अपने एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने के लिए,
और दूसरा?
और दूसरा हमारी पोल न खोलने के लिए.
अच्छा अच्छा, चलो तो अब आगे बढ़ते हैं.
The famous American anthropologist Margaret Mead has rightly said that never believe that a few caring people can't change the world, but they are the only ones that have changed the world. That reminds me of our dear mentors. They're extremely caring and always work for our welfare.
It is said that you only need a heart full of grace and love to serve others. We actually underappreciate the role of our mentors. They are the ones who actually put in the efforts and go through the pain to make our life smooth and easygoing.
Starting from waking us up in the morning to feeding us and sending us to school in time, they take care of the smallest of the things to make it easy for us to achieve our objectives.
Not to forget the admin staff. They are the ones who get us the resources in time as per requirements and work tirelessly to fulfill our needs.
So, to appreciate their efforts, we would like to show a special presentation.
Let me request Samarpan team to play the video.
Lovely memories, isn't it? In just a few minutes, these glimpses took us down the memory lane, cherishing those wonderful moments in which we experience love and care from our mentors.
No amount of thanks, or gifts, or cards can ever repay the depth we owe to your love and affection. In addition to these glimpses, this year we have added a new surprising element to the Teachers' Day celebration.
What is it?
For the first time ever, we have created a video tribute in which some of the AVM students, past and present, have expressed their heartfelt gratitude towards teacher.
Oh, really? Now I can't wait to watch that tribute.
Don't worry, we don't have to wait anymore. Let us request Samarpan team to play the first part of that special tribute.
Teachers at AVM are simply the best, as they are handpicked by Param Pujya Swami Shri. Teachers here do not teach with a motive of earning money, but they teach with the sole purpose of betterment in our lives. They do not see us as just kids, but they see us as an opportunity to serve God. For them, teaching is not a job, but it is a seva. You could share just about everything with AVM teachers without any fear of them getting angry with you. And one would never ever find the kind of teachers we have here at AVM anywhere else in the universe. Thank you, teachers. Thank you so much for being with us. Happy Teachers' Day.
I love my teachers because they love me and take care of me as their own child. They teach me the concept until I am clear with it. Sometimes they scold me, but it is for my betterment, so that I don't repeat the same mistake again and again. I am thankful to all my teachers. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day.
Having spent 4 years now at Atmi Vidya Mandir, I have realized very well that our teachers are different from elsewhere. With utmost love and care, they mold us into beautiful humans and responsible citizens. And it is especially to thank our teachers for their effort we celebrate this awesome day with great zeal. Teachers are special because in bad times they are like our fathers and show us the way. In sorrow times, like our mothers to wipe our tears. And in good times, like our friends to have fun with us. Thank you, teachers, for being such a true support system for all of us. Happy Teachers' Day.
It is said that God cannot be present everywhere all the time. And so, to enlighten the world, He has sent His angels in the form of teachers. At AVM, Param Pujya Swami Shri has sent these teachers in our lives with a special purpose to instill the core values in us. They have truly dedicated themselves to enlighten us and to show us the right path to prosperity. So, on this divine occasion of Teachers' Day, on behalf of all the students, I would like to express our heartiest gratitude to all of them for their selfless contributions to glorify our lives. Thank you, teachers. Happy Teachers.
I love all my teachers very much because they forgive me when I do something wrong and show me the right path. They never get angry on me and work day and night for me. They are like my mother who loves me very much and are friendly with me. I love all my teachers very much. Wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
AVM is a very rare academic school which has a huge sports infrastructure. The sports time at AVM is refreshing and the inter-house sports competition is exhilarating and the annual athletic meet is massive. All of it is possible only because we have a great team of dedicated sports teachers. Their constant hard work and their dedication make us work even harder. That makes our life at AVM much more enjoyable. For the joyous moment you have given us, I thank all the sports teachers on this very special day. I salute them all for their tireless hard work. Happy Teachers' Day.
Teachers' Day at AVM is not just one of those occasions celebrated alike at all the schools across the globe. Of course, it ought to be different because it's Atmiya Vidya Mandir. Actually, it feels like an impossible task to me for us to be able to show our gratitude towards our teachers for their tireless efforts in this to our celebration on this given date.
They act as our mentors, guides, and friends, motivate us to endeavor and outperform, to sprint against ourselves, and to raise the bar time to time while simultaneously supporting us to remain healthy and contented at the end of the day. Teachers' Day celebrations for others could be an annually repeating event to thank their teachers. But according to me, the best way to celebrate Teachers' Day daily is by following them to the dot. Thank you, teachers, and happy Teachers' Day.
Destinies aren't just written, they are fulfilled. Geniuses aren't born, they are made. And minds cannot just be trained, they are inspired. Teachers have this uncanny ability of extracting more out of us than our self perceived abilities. Today is the day of Teachers' Day, a day to thank those extraordinary souls who have surrendered and served selflessly to enhance our lives and enrich our souls. This celebration will come back every year, but what is important is to fill our hearts with gratitude for these paragon personalities and simply surrender to these people who will make us capable of soaring great heights and pleasing God and our parents. Today, let us decide to celebrate every day as Teachers' Day. When we see a smile on our teachers' faces and feel the contentment in their hearts, that will be the true celebration of Teachers' Day. At last, on behalf of all the students, I would like to thank Param Pujya Swamiji for blessing us with such guiding angels in our lives. Thank you, teachers. Happy Teachers' Day.
Namaste and Jai Samnarayan to all of you. Today on this occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to share a few words behalf of my batch. We are very grateful to all of you for giving a constant support and motivation throughout the years that we have stayed at AVM. I came across this quote that goes, "The best teachers are the ones who teach from the hearts and not from the books." So the first thing I get in my mind is you all, the AVM teachers. You have constantly and sincerely helped us build our ethical values and helped us overcome the obstacles that we may face in our life. So thank you for being there in our lives, and once again, happy Teachers Day.
Namaste and Jai Narayan to everyone. This is a gratitude message from our entire pass out batch on Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. And thank you for being in our life, for motivating us, for showing us the correct choices and showing us the right path. You have helped us throughout our life when we were at school, and even right now when we're outside. You have shown us the correct choices. Whenever we needed help, and we contacted you, you were there for us, be it social, academic, or even spiritual. Thank you for being in our life, and thank you for supporting us. And the fact that you have come here and to meet us and just to interact with us, it shows that you really care for us, and thank you for that.
Happy Teachers Day!
That was really heart touching.
Very true. I have no words to express my feelings.
A special thanks to the alumni, our brothers far away in Chennai, who took out time to convey their feelings for this day.
Oh, by the way, yesterday you mentioned something about dance. तो वो सिर्फ बात ही थी कि actually में dance भी है.
Can any Teachers' Day function at AVM finish without a dance? The students of class 7, 9, 10 have prepared a special dance for this occasion. So, without wasting any time, let us call the students to grace the stage.
यूं मिला है जैसे बंजारे को घर। कोई मुझको यूं मिला है जैसे बंजारे को घर। कोई मुझको यूं मिला है जैसे बंजारे को घर।
हमारे जैसा कौन है, रब ही तो हमारी बैकबोन है। हम है किंग, हमारे जैसा कौन है, रब ही तो हमारी बैकबोन है। सभी को फिंगर पे नचाओगे, हमने बाजी मारी है। रेडी शेडी होके आ जाओ जितने भी नर नारी है। सभी को फिंगर पे नचाओगे, हमने बाजी मारी है। रेडी शेडी होके आ जाओ जितने भी नर नारी है। खुशी में आज करनी बैड बनती रे। पार्टी तो पार्टी तो पार्टी तो पार्टी तो बनती है, और पार्टी तो बनती है, पार्टी तो बनती है, पार्टी तो बनती है।
Unstoppable है अपना लेबल, सब करते खुल्लम खुल्ला, नाके अंडर द टेबल। तू रावण का दूत, तेरी गंदी है करतूत, बातों से तू समझ न पाए, तू लातों का भूत। तेरे गंदे गंदे स्कैम, तेरा पूरा हो गया टैम। तुझसे ज्यादा गट से आजा, दूर करूं तेरे वैम। अब तेरी खुलेगी पोल, इज्जत के बजेंगे ढोल। फेस दिखा ना पाएगा जब होंगे एग्जिट पोल।
What a spectacular performance by younger brothers. Let's give them a round of applause again. अरे एक बात तो भूल ही गया. Keyur bhai had made a special request to me a few days ago.
What was it?
He wanted to share his gratitude toward all the teachers on Teachers' Day.
So, did you say yes to him?
Initially, I was skeptical whether Tarun sir would answer with that or not. But then I thought of taking a chance, as I felt it would add some apna wala feel to this program.
Oh, अच्छा किया. तो let's call Keyur bhai.
Namaste and Jai Swaminarayan. God has created many amazing wonders on the earth. One such amazing wonder is a teacher who has ignited the minds of million students by giving the knowledge from the treasure box whose depths can't be measured. In everyone's life, there are three characters who have made a significant impact on their body, mind, and soul. They are their parents, their good friends, and their very dear teachers. These are three characters in everyone's life to whom we can never repay the debt we have taken from them. To those people, we are always in the debt trap.
We can't thank them through the celebration or even dedicating our whole life. But today, we want to celebrate this day with all of you by expressing our feelings for you. No matter what words I speak for you, we are sure they will be short of what you have done for all of us. However, on this auspicious day, I will try my best. We want all of you to know that you are our role models. When we consider what you have taught us, being smart, engaging, positive, confident, but remaining humble, we surely want to follow your footsteps. You are well informed and easy to understand, thinking with your head and connecting through the heart. To do, gently nudging us to do our best with sensitivity and insight. You have made us see the vision so clear, helped us to set our targets, and focus and have always been with us to ensure bright possible future for all of us. We are so glad to have all of you in our life. When we sit in your class, we knew the kinds of challenges you would make us face. But with the problems, you gave us motivation to pursue, to do the best, and to reject the commonplace. Your thinking have really opened our minds. With wisdom, style, and grace, you have made us see the things that we would not have otherwise. You changed our perception and shook us out of our complacency. We cannot thank you enough for everything you have done. You have touched our heart and mind in million ways. We treasure you as our friends, mentors, and parents. The human life is a precious one. And in this rare human life, it is rare to find someone who is always present with you and influence you in positive manner. You have not only fostered confidence and optimism and shown us the way to achieve our targets, but also shown us the way to live with the principle of Atmiyata. You have tirelessly reminded the commands of Swamiji and expectation of our parents to keep us in sync with our destination. You are God in human form for us. At last, we want you all to know that because we have you in our life, we know how much fun learning is. We know there is someone always to help us. We have acquired knowledge. We have learned to apply the knowledge. We have faith we will succeed. We have learned to value a true friend. We feel protected from the vices. We have learned to be a good son. We have learned to practice values and morals. The more closer and friendly we are with you, the more closer we are with the God. We feel we are the luckiest students in the world. Thank you, teachers, for making our lives worth. Wish you all many happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Kerubai, for so aptly expressing the feelings of all the students.